What's going on, stackers? So one of my books has now earned over $5,000 in royalties, and I'm about to show you. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. In this membership, I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, one of my books, one of my best-selling books, has now earned over $5,000 in royalties, which I think is absolutely crazy. So I'm going to show you that in just a second, but first let's look how October's doing so far for me. So far it's doing pretty well. I've made over $1,000 in royalties. I expect to do at least two, maybe $2,500 by the end of the month. So if we look here, we can see I've had some really good days. One of them here being $116. This one over $100, and then a few lower days. That one was 58, that one was 50, and that one was 52. So let's just change this. Let's go to all time. And let's take a look at my best selling book. So if we scroll down, we can see these are my months so far. Some really good months. Had a few months where I had a few books really take off. I actually have a couple, or I meant to say one book in the kids low content book niche doing really well at the minute. Now if we scroll down to here, let's stop right there. So today I've actually sold 8,700 units of my books. And then right below that, this is my best selling one, nearly breaking 2,000 units sold. But I've made over $5,200 in royalties. Now this book was published almost a year ago. I think it was published last December. Now if you want to know what niche this book is in, then I do actually have a video on the channel showing you that niche. So go and have a look on the channel to see if you can find that. Now with this one, my best selling one, this is normally ranked anywhere from 10 to 30,000th place on Amazon.com within the bookstore. And it actually sells every single day. Now, I still can't believe that I've nearly come close to 2,000 units sold and over $5,000 in royalties just from one book. Now, let's scroll back up to here for a second. So, as you can see, I am on my 12th month of publishing low and no content. I still can't believe it's almost been a year. And if we take a look, I obviously have some months better than others. Not every month is going to be exactly the same. Now, I do expect sales to slowly start getting better over the next few weeks leading into November, because obviously Q4 is here now. Christmas is just round the corner, so you're going to get a lot of people trying to buy gifts for their friends and families, and a lot of my books are aimed as gifts. So I can't wait to see what November sales and December sales actually turn out to be. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.